Asian in Ohio how to change your motorcycle tires on a CBR 500R 2013. Step 1 is taking the fairings off. Let's get it, Justin.
Do you want me to start?
This might be a problem. Are you remembering where all the screws go?
Kinda.
Kinda.
I mean,
It's out. Yes. Jackie Chan over here. Bruce Lee.
he has a jack.
Oh, I didn't even mean to do that.
Oh, you did.
What?
Jackie Chan.
Jackie
I'm gonna kill myself. There we go.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
All right, I'm about to buy one for the
Wow.
fun.
Jack it up from the oil pan right here.
All right, this ain't working.
Yeah. Okay. Now just make sure.
Just trying to let it fall this way.
All right. Let's get your front tire off.
Okay.
There she goes.
Once the bike is jacked up, you can loosen the rear axle nut and pull it out.
Yeah, we forgot again.
I probably shouldn't have because
My favorite part. It looks like you need to unscrew it, but you don't.
What is all that?
Spacers. Get ready to rumble.
Get a stem tool and take your stem out of your tire. Now you need to
Get your
coax
spoons.
the bead off the rim of the tire. Alright. To break the bead without a bead breaker, you take 3 spoons, you make yourself about a 7-inch worth area, you take your 3rd spoon upside down just like Jesus titties, and it'll look like you're not doing much, but you are. Almost there. Yeah. See there, it came off a little bit there. And
Alright, bigger one here. No, watch out, watch your hands.
no, and then you just push it off the rest of the way.
Yeah.
Same way you did on this side. Alright, yeah. Do it again. How about you let Justin do it?
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, there you go.
Yo.
Yeah, that's it, bro. You made that look really easy. Take it off the rim with these things. Once you've broken the bead, you take your Windex and you lube the bead up. Or you lube the tire up.
Lube that boy up.
Lube it. Yeah, now it's nice and slippery.
Who that boy? Who him is? Him that nigga, I swear. Stand out guy, him don't need no chair. But where the fuck him at? Cause nigga, I'm right here. I don't shop at the mall, all y'all just dumb motherfucker. I'm a goddamn artist. You can give me some markers and I draw you a closet. And you know that this golf bitch gonna make the deposit. Nigga fresh to death like he got dressed in a coffin. Cons overalls and a striped shirt. The boy drip swag like a broken faucet. It's running. Nigga, I'm running. Shit, that shit be the bomb like
Bam.
That's one rim.
You take your new tire that's been sitting in the sun for a little bit,
For 2 minutes.
and you just throw it on there like that. There you go.
Like a certain way. And you're done.
It turns
this way.
yeah.
Yeah.
So lay it down
There's an arrow on there.
and a dot.
The dot needs to be across from the stem.
And now you're gonna lube it up and push it on.
who that boy? Who him is? Who that boy? Who him is? Nigga, who that boy? Who him is? Who them boys? Nigga, who them is?
You want to lube this up again and then pry it over. So on this side, see with your knees, you want to push down so like the bead is.
While you're going.
Put your knees on there. Both sides.
Both sides, yeah.
The one here.
And then
Yeah,
walk
and then
them
the other
around.
side.
There you go.
Now, if you take the spoon and start working around from as far as you can get it.
Some Justin face cam, bro.
What are you doing? Why are you only using one spoon?
You wanna-
This whole time.
You want to work
Stop.
that one around?
Stop, bro. Give me this. What? To get another lube this up again. God damn.
I was waiting to see how far he got.
Thanks, Zach.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you were getting pretty far. I was kind of surprised.
Alright, now that get it the third one. Yeah, there we go. Alright.
Nice.
There you go.
Flip her over.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Oh.
Yeah, and you should use rim guards.
Get some Sharpie, man.
One down, one to go. Took Justin's exhaust off. Let's see how it sounds.
Who them boys, nigga? Who them is? Who else step in this bitch, this jig? Who else your bitch say got a big this big? Who else came?
I could help them, but I'm just gonna watch them and laugh.
Still doing math when I miss my class. Was it summertime? 06. Nigga, never mind. Was another time before me. Nigga, Gucci gold tips with the Letterman. Nigga, dollar sign was my favorite number.
So you just put air in and set the bead, and then you put the rotor back on, and then you put the wheels back on. Give it a spin, and you wait for the side that's heaviest to fall to the bottom.
My favorite number at the time. Freshman.
The weight at the opposite side of the rim.
Then don't forget my past. Being that nigga, and you knew that there. Make the dick disappear. How she do that there?
Who that boy? Who him is? Who that boy? Who him is?
Alright, better idea. Take the caliper off.
Nigga, who that boy? Who him is? Who them boys? Nigga, who them is? Nigga.
Why you niggas feel like that? Mad cause a nigga neck shit like that. Mad cause a nigga push real like that. Why you putting bad vibes in it?
Justin's got his new tires on. That took quite a while, but we did it. Now we're heading to Akron, going to Supafly again. Woo. We got the squad. We got Evan on his Ninja 300, Justin on his CBR 500R, and Zach and me on our CBR 600s.
Mortal Kombat.
So we're going to Supafly.
Rob Stone, 2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them swishers, ho. If you hit my liquor store, it's 50 cents.
Hey, that one real skirt. Yo! Hey,
Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up on my weed. I said, baby, just buy that cheese, cause you can't smoke some shit.
Yo, this is crazy.
I got some love but no money, they got me in Fiji. She said you need a job, bitch, fuck a job, I still get cheese.
Oh yeah, bro, that was sick. That was fucking crazy. I never rode like that with all those people.
yeah, it was a whole line.
No, I never rode with that many people. That was awesome. Was it crazy? Yeah. We were. How fast were we going? Only over 100, bro.
That's like topping out for me.
Good. Bro. The end is falling off.
Yeah, there's a bull.
Oh. It's like 12:30. Everybody stay safe out there.